Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6i, and today I will show you how to enable the TalkBack option. And to get started, you will want to navigate into your settings. From here, scroll down to additional settings. Then we're looking for accessibility. Oh, there we go, accessibility. And we should see TalkBack somewhere here. Oh, there we go, it's right here. So TalkBack, once you find it, you can then enable it.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen.
Now I'm gonna mute it just because I kind of want to talk right now. So anyway, once you enable it, it brings you to this welcome page, and overall you basically tap on the option that you want to confirm or select to start off. So as an example, if I want to close this or go to the next page, select next. We tap on it once and then double tap it to confirm it. This takes me to the next page. So if I want to close it, select close by single clicking, then double click to confirm it. Like so. Now additionally, you will probably see that you have pages that you can scroll up and down in. For instance, like this page right over here. And by default, you can see that you can't really scroll, right? It gives you some options associated with the TalkBack. So to scroll, you will need to use 2 fingers. So that includes scrolling left, right, up, and down. Additionally, if you have some kind of things like, for instance, volume knobs right here, you can use 2 fingers and make it louder or quieter, as you can see. And anyway, I'm gonna disable it, so let me just go back to the TalkBack right here. And now I can use the phone normally. So anyway, that is how you would enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.